Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia from Saving with Alicia. Coffee Wednesday. Welcome to Coffee Wednesday. I'm super excited. Really was waiting for Wednesday very early in the morning, so apologies for the light, but when I tried to turn on the lights, it just all the shadows and everything is here. So sorry. We have what we have. So unfortunately I can't do anything about that. It's just the light wasn't working for me. So that's it. Yes, coffee. Oh my god, I actually can't stop for a second. I was really waiting for Wednesday for this video because we will be finishing the coffee box saving challenge from Maria. Over She Has Got It. Both binders actually from Maria. So we only have few cards. I think we only have 2 left. And we also have an IOU. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20 euros. That's not much, but that's just enough to complete this coffee box. And today I will be reallocating all this money that I saved in like using the coffee box saving challenge. I will reallocate it into this coffee binder. This was a first coffee related coffee saving challenges binder, because I want to save for the coffee machine for our home. It's not priority, but then Maria came up with the box, so I really wanted to have the coffee box as well. So, and we're finishing today. So let's start from the beginning. As per this tracker, you save in 180. I don't know how much money we will save in here. I did put some coins as well, but that's fine. I won't be counting these. It's just I don't like to keep coins in these envelopes. So in Brazil, we have a 5 IOU. So we need to put that 5 in here. And that's great. So Brazil is officially complete. So now we should have 2 cards left. Let me get this. Oh, I forgot to take off these cute coffees. That's perfect. The dice. So we have, only 2 cards left. And we have Colombia. Actually, I'm going to put the Brazil here. So we have Colombia, which is this icon, and that one is 10 euros. Let me get the marker. So that's first 10. Perfect. I'm super excited. Maria, thank you so much for creating this challenge. Everyone who's doing it, who's thinking to do it, guys, because it's amazing. Go and visit Maria's shop. It's just really doable, manageable amounts, and it's just a lovely challenge. I'm not going to restart this challenge only because I want to focus on that one, but after that I think I'm going to do it again. So for the last icon, it tells me to save 6, but I'm saving 5, and I'm putting €1. I have it ready here. I am going to put €1 coin into my pineapple. So Vietnam was officially my last card. That's it, all done. Well, I shouldn't really put the money back. So now we need to take the money out of this binder and reallocate into this one. So we are going to start from the first envelope, Brazil. And in Brazil I have 25, 35, same as it says here. So I have 35 saved for Brazil. Next one is Colombia, and this one is 35, and we have 25, 35, yes. Kenya saves 30. Let's see, do we have 30 here? We have 25, 35 again, so it's good to round up a little bit. Great. Vietnam has saves 27, and I have 5, 10, 15, 25. Okay, I have 25. Probably the €2 is in pineapple. Jamaica saves 27, and I have 30, no 10s. That's great. And Indonesia saves 26 and I have 25. Again, probably there is a €1 coin in my pineapple. So guys, I've completed the coffee box. It's amazing challenge. Love it. Really, really nice. So for now, I'm finishing with the coffee box because I'll be doing this binder to save for the coffee machine. And let's check how much money we saved using the coffee box. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 185 exactly. Brilliant. I am super, super happy. Probably an extra €5 in coins, so that's 190. Really well. I'm very happy. We have a lot of money to go into this binder. Now, this binder is a coffee-related savings challenges from different YouTubers, from different Etsy shops, including Maria's, including GB, including GP's odds and ends, my own ones. So yeah, this one is complete already. That's why there's no tracker, and I'm not going to replace it because I want to see how much money I will save by doing them all. So yeah, and I'm rolling the D12 sided dice because there are 12 envelopes in each. We have some challenge. So let's check number 12, which is the last one. Great. And for this one is from the Etsy shop called Jill E Creative. Yeah. So this one saves 80 we only have 1 5 left, and then we have 10. Yeah, let's save 10 maybe. It's just while we still have the money. So we are saving 10. That's great. Next one, oops. Number 4 is my own one. Each icon is 5, and that's for most of them, unless it's a scratch off. But that's great. We have 10. Oh no, so I need to put 5 in here. This is my own one. This is a set of 3. So I'm marking the next icon. Okay, perfect. Next one, number 1. This one is from Maria over. She has got it. Again, I set up each icon for 5. So 5 is going in here. I feel like I'm rushing, but I shouldn't because it's just so nice to have that money. Where are you going? Number 6. Number 6 is saving challenge from Jessica, GP's odds and ends. And again, each icon is 5. So 5, and let me color the next column. We'll see how much money I will save by completing the whole binder, and would that be enough for the coffee machine? If not, I can always replace and do it again. Number 9. Number 9 is my own one, and this is a physical one. But I had this one. Isn't laminated. This was just a kind of 5 for each icon. This was just kind of a try. Printing. It came too small, so it's not even laminated, to be honest with you. But the one I only have 1 set left, so it comes with the dice and 2 scratch-offs and that one as well. But I just wanted to use that one, to be honest with you. Okay, perfect. The next one is number 11. Number 11 is my one. And this is with the other one, a set of 3. Each icon is 5. So we are crossing the next cup and we are putting 5. I'm actually thinking to cheat right now, but we'll see. Number 2. Oh yeah, no, number 2 is done, so we need to roll again. Number 6 again. That's GP's odds and ends. It's great. Number 12. That's the Etsy shop called Jill E Creative. Yeah, I will have everyone linked down below. For this one, I still have 5, so let's say 5. But I'm putting 10 and taking the 5 out. So we have complete the first row. Now we have all 10s, so no choice. Next one is number 7. And number 7 is Maria. Maria's challenge. Again, very same thing. Each coffee bean is 5. I'll tell you why I want to cheat. Because I have one challenge here. This one. This is from GB over at Income Bakes. And it tells me to save 19, but I will save 20. And I will have 70 euro left. And I think I'm going to do that while I have the money. I know it's cheating, but guys, it's savings, okay? I just don't want to have an IOU. So I'm actually saving 20. And this challenge is done. So I saved 70 euros here, which is brilliant. So I can put that one in the back. So what I'm going to do now, because I have number 2 is complete. So I'm taking number 12 to number 2. I hope that makes sense. I'm just moving them here. And the same is with this one. This is just the one that I just complete. And I'm taking number 11 in here instead. So now I have 10 envelopes, 10 active, I would say 10 active, and the money is just going in the empty ones. So now I have 10 active savings challenges. So instead of D12 sided dice, I will be rolling D10. So bear with me, I need to swap to D10, which I believe is this one. Am I right? Numbers 9 and 0 is 10. So yeah. So that's what I'm going to do. So number 10, because the last 2 envelopes are completed. So now I'm rolling the D10 sided dice. Number 3. This one is Maria over. She has got it. Next icon is 5. I hope you don't mind that I did that, but I think it's a great idea instead of kind of a rolling the same. Like if the number was used, you have to roll it again. So number 6, Jessica's. That's perfect. So that's, I'm putting the 10 here. Okay, let's do one more. Number 8. This one is from Maria over. She has got it. And I think I was using this marker for an extra 5. This video is going to be a little bit long, but look, I have a little bit of more money. That's why this one is going back. And number 2, that's where we have no choice. So I'm putting 10, well, putting 20 and taking the 10 out. And we can mark the next one. Number 4. This is my own one. and that's number, actually, you know what, let's do 20. Number 1, Maria again. And we're finishing the second row. This is great. Like, if you have so much money, then you're gonna have so much fun. Number 10. Okay, so 9 and 10. This is from Maria as well. We only got 1 so far, so that's okay. And there are only few icons on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4 left. Yeah. Okay, next. Oh, that went too, but this that went off, but it's number 2. Oh wow, this one is getting really good amount of money. Oh no, that's, we actually put in 10. That's it. I forgot. That's okay. Okay, next, number 9. Number 9 is my own one. I'm coloring them green because the coffee beans are green before they roasted. So I choose green for that one. Now, next, number 7 is this one. Another coffee bean. It's just lovely to see the progress on each challenge, which is great. Number 6. Do I? Oh no, we just, I can put another 20. So we have 2 columns now. Done. Number 6 again. Okay. I shouldn't put it back. So number I'm going to roll again. See. Number 6, guys, look. I knew it. I just felt it. And then if I complete 2 more savings challenges, then I will change to D8 sided dice. That's my plans anyway. Okay. Number 1. This one, we start in the 3rd row. It's beautiful cup, and we are saving 5. Number 4 is this one. And we have 30 euro left out of 190 or 185, I believe. Oh yeah, this one is my next saving challenge, so I'm putting 10 and taking the 5 out. And we're doing this flowers, coffee bean flowers. Number 2. Okay, we need to put 10 for that one. Only 3 more to go. Wow. Number 9. 9 is this one. We have €10 left, so number 5 is my saving challenge, coffee time. Okay, I'm not going to put it back. We have number 3. Okay, we have to put it back. And what's number 3? And number 3 is Maria, and I have no IOU. Yes, because in my previous videos on starting from Saturday, I have IOUs. So at least for the coffee Wednesday, I don't have an IOU. So, oh wow, guys, this was a big boost to my coffee related savings challenges. It's amazing. So we did quite a lot. Yes, it looks really great. I can see the progress. Like I said, the 2 last envelopes will be the 2 completed savings challenges. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry for keeping you that long for the Coffee Wednesday. And I'm so happy, Maria. Thank you so much for creating this beautiful coffee box. And I will talk to you in my next video, guys. Bye.